Back. So whether you're toward the end of your life or about to begin it, we've got you covered, starting with life insurance. Millions of people don't have it. And while, of course, determining your need for life insurance depends on your personal situation, it is important to take the time to determine if life insurance is a good fit for you and your loved ones. Joining us now, we have CPA Kimberly Washington of Washington CPA Services to provide a few tips to help you on your journey.
Yes.
Thanks for being here again this week. We're talking life insurance. Really important and kind of, not something that people shine a spotlight on a whole lot of times.
Right. A lot of times people don't think about it, especially it gets really important if someone passed away and you're looking around and say, okay, did this person have life insurance? But you really want to take time out and determine your needs as it relates to life insurance.
You talk about your needs. This has a lot to do with your age. The younger you are, the less you're thinking about life insurance.
Right, of course. But you want to sit down. If something happens to me today, no matter what your age is, do I have enough money to fund my burial expenses? Do I have enough money for my dependents, my loved ones, or if I'm a part of a business? If something happens, what would happen to that business? So you want to see what your needs are today.
And I'm a new parent, and I've been told to get life insurance for your child as well sometimes. Yeah?
And it really depends. It really depends on your personal situation. Many times, if you are a parent, some parents may say, okay, I'm not going to worry about getting life insurance on them, but maybe making certain that I have something because, of course, if something happens to you, then you want to make certain that that child is taken care of just in the event of that.
And you say your needs. You talk about life insurance, you see $100,000, you see $1 million. What do you really need? What's a good number?
Right. It's no one size fits all. So you really need to sit down and say, okay, if something happens right now, if I have that young child, how much would their education be today? Also, what if something happens right now? And then what about my spouse? How much money would they need to continue on? So you really need to sit down and then determine what that number looks like.
And then when you do have life insurance, what do you think is the biggest stumbling block or the biggest mistake people make?
I think the biggest mistake people make that is like just not understanding what all the details it relates to life insurance. So for instance, your beneficiary, who's your beneficiary at this time? Because sometimes a person may pass away, they haven't updated their life insurance policies, they haven't looked at the different terms as it relates to life insurance policy as far as riders and premiums and all of those things. So it's really a good idea to sit down with someone and ask these questions now.
Always great information.
Yes.
Always great to have you here. But we always like to leave with a little tip, and we're calling it Kim Sense. What's your Kim Sense for today?
So the Kim Sense for today is definitely if you have a young child and you're saving for college, or even not just college, K through 12, you want to look at the Start Saving Plan with the state of Louisiana, because not only do you get a state tax deduction, but you also get some additional money. They'll actually match some of the money you put into the plan. So it's a good time right now to start looking into the 529 Start Saving Plan with the state of Louisiana.
That's a good idea. I'm going to do that today.
Definitely do it.
Thanks for being here. Of course, we're going to post
you.
this on our website, WDSU.com.